Mustard oil, known for its distinct flavor and numerous health
Like and
benefits,
subscribe.
has a rich history steeped in culinary traditions and holistic medicine practices. Originating from ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia and India, mustard oil has been prized for its unique taste and therapeutic properties for centuries. From its production and processing techniques to its culinary uses and cultural significance, mustard oil plays a vital role in cuisines around the world.
Health benefits and nutritional properties. Beyond its culinary uses and distinct flavor profile, mustard oil is celebrated for its numerous health benefits and rich nutritional composition. We will delve into the various ways mustard oil promotes well-being and explore its valuable nutritional properties. 1. Nutritional composition. Mustard oil is packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and vitality. It is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are known to support heart health and reduce inflammation. Additionally, mustard oil contains vitamins E and K, antioxidants, and trace minerals such as selenium, all of which play important roles in maintaining cellular function, immune health, and skin integrity. 2. Heart health. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in mustard oil have been shown to have beneficial effects on heart health. These healthy fats can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function, all of which contribute to a lower risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of mustard oil as part of a balanced diet may help support cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart-related conditions. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Mustard oil contains compounds such as allyl isothiocyanate, which have been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Incorporating mustard oil into the diet may help alleviate inflammation and promote overall well-being. 4. Antimicrobial effects. Mustard oil exhibits antimicrobial properties, thanks to compounds like allyl isothiocyanate and erucic acid. These compounds have been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, fungi, and viruses, making mustard oil an effective natural remedy for combating infections and promoting gut health. In traditional medicine, mustard oil is often used topically to treat skin infections and wounds, thanks to its antimicrobial and healing properties. 5. Skin and hair care. Mustard oil is a popular ingredient in skincare and haircare products due to its nourishing and moisturizing properties. It is rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect the skin from oxidative damage and premature aging. Mustard oil is also believed to stimulate hair growth, improve scalp health, and condition the hair, making it a popular choice for promoting strong, shiny locks. 6. Digestive health. In Ayurvedic medicine, mustard oil is used to support digestive health and alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, indigestion, and constipation. The oil's pungent flavor and warming properties are believed to stimulate digestion and improve nutrient absorption, making it a valued remedy for promoting gastrointestinal wellness. 7. Immune support. The vitamins, antioxidants, and antimicrobial compounds found in mustard oil all contribute to its immune supportive properties. Regular consumption of mustard oil may help strengthen the immune system, enhance resistance to infections, and promote overall health and vitality. In conclusion, mustard oil offers a wealth of health benefits and nutritional value, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet and holistic wellness routine. From supporting heart health and reducing inflammation to promoting skin and hair care, mustard oil's diverse properties make it a versatile and cherished ingredient with a long history of use in traditional medicine and culinary traditions. As we continue our exploration, we will uncover more about the therapeutic applications and modern uses of mustard oil, highlighting its potential to enhance health and well-being. Chapter 5: Safety and Precautions. While mustard oil offers numerous health benefits and culinary uses, it's important to understand and observe safety precautions to ensure its safe consumption and application. In this chapter, we will explore the safety considerations associated with mustard oil and provide guidelines for its proper handling, storage, and usage. 1. Quality and purity. When purchasing mustard oil, it's essential to choose high-quality, pure products from reputable sources. Look for cold-pressed or expeller-pressed mustard oil that is free from additives, preservatives, and chemical solvents. Opting for organic or certified products can also help ensure the oil's purity and quality. 2. Allergies and sensitivities. While mustard oil is generally safe for consumption and topical use, some individuals may have allergies or sensitivities to mustard seeds or mustard oil. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include skin irritation, hives, swelling, difficulty breathing, or gastrointestinal discomfort. If you have a known allergy to mustard or mustard products, it's best to avoid mustard oil altogether and opt for alternative cooking oils. 3. Skin sensitivity. Mustard oil is a potent ingredient that can cause skin irritation or sensitivity in some individuals, especially when used topically or in high concentrations. Before applying mustard oil to the skin, it's recommended to perform a patch test on a small area to check for any adverse reactions. If redness, itching, or discomfort occurs, discontinue use immediately and rinse the affected area with water. 4. Smoking point. Mustard oil has a relatively low smoke point compared to other cooking oils, typically around 250 degrees Celsius (482 degrees Fahrenheit). This means that it can produce smoke and develop a bitter taste if heated too high or for too long. To prevent the oil from reaching its smoke point, it's important to use moderate heat when cooking with mustard oil and avoid overheating or prolonged frying. 5. Safety in pregnancy. Pregnant women are advised to exercise caution when consuming mustard oil, as it contains erucic acid, a compound that has been associated with potential adverse effects on fetal development. While small amounts of mustard oil consumed as part of a balanced diet are unlikely to cause harm, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist for personalized guidance on dietary choices during pregnancy. 6. Storage and shelf life. Mustard oil should be stored properly to maintain its freshness, flavor, and nutritional value. Keep mustard oil in a cool, dark place away from heat, light, and moisture, such as a pantry or cupboard. Avoid storing mustard oil near strong-smelling foods or chemicals, as it can absorb odors and flavors. When stored properly, mustard oil can remain fresh for several months to a year, depending on the quality and packaging. 7. Regulatory considerations. In some countries, mustard oil may be subject to regulations and restrictions due to its erucic acid content. It's important to familiarize yourself with local regulations and guidelines regarding the production, labeling, and sale of mustard oil to ensure compliance with legal requirements. In conclusion, while mustard oil offers numerous health benefits and culinary uses, it's important to exercise caution and observe safety precautions to prevent adverse reactions and ensure its safe consumption and application. By following guidelines for quality, storage, and usage, you can enjoy the flavorful and nutritious benefits of mustard oil while minimizing potential risks and concerns. As we continue our exploration, we will uncover more about the safe and responsible use of mustard oil, empowering you to make informed choices for your health and well-being.